Hello everyone. On the very first video, I already show you how to quickly and easily create your own Instagram Biolink landing page using Elementor templates. This is a very alternative of Linktree, and you don't have to be worried again to pay for monthly charge only for your Biolink. Of course, I already told you also you need the hosting, domain, the WordPress content management system. You have to install it and also install the Elementor plugin or Elementor Page Builder plugin inside your WordPress. And I already show you also some of the preview, not all of the preview. On this video, I want to show you another preview. Let me check one by one again. Yesterday, I already show you this the seven demos of this Elementor template. Today let's check the other preview. This is the 8th preview. Okay, so the desktop layout is having a good layout just like this, and when you want to change it and when you want to see it in the mobile layout, it will be like this. So it is different with the Linktree. While the Linktree probably they have some limitation, but we don't have any limitation here since you can design many kind of things also on this page. This is the demo number 8, and then we go to demo number 9. This is another elegant template. The desktop layout just like this, and then the mobile layout will be like this. There you go. This is the mobile layout. You can put your photos here, and we can check also the demo number 10. This is the demo number 10, the desktop layout, and this is the mobile layout. There you go. You can put anything here, as many images as you want, or videos from your YouTube. This is demo number 11. Okay, there we go. This is the desktop layout, and this is the mobile layout. Okay, and then this is number 12, demo number 12, the desktop layout of demo number 12, and this is the mobile version of number 12 demos. Okay, what about the number 13 demo? Okay, let's check. This is demo number 13, the mobile the desktop layout, and then this is the mobile version. So you can put as many as links you want, and you can put images and videos also. And this is demo number 14. Okay, this is the desktop version, and then this is the mobile version. As I told you, if you wanted to change the desktop layout, it feels incomplete since this is the desktop layout. If you want to see the full image on the desktop layout, so you just change it by edit with Elementor. I already showed this also on the previous video. And then you go to edit section here, then go to this height, choose the min height. There you go, so you can see the full image on the desktop layout. Okay, that's it. You already finish it, you just click update. Okay, so okay, and then just view page. Okay, so this is the desktop layout, and then you can see also the mobile version. See, the mobile version still have a beautiful looks or beautiful design also. as the desktop layout, the demo number 14. Okay, on the next video I will show you another preview, since we just show you the 14 preview of this Biolink Elementor template, a template that become the alternatives to Linktree, since Linktree and the other services still have some limitation and you still have to pay for monthly charge. But if you already have your own WordPress website, you want to make your own Biolink or link in bio and in Instagram with the full information about you, your profile and your business, you can use this. You can install it just inside your WordPress. Thank you.